welcome back to. If you're passionate about two-wheelers, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2025 Honda PCX 150, a scooter that promises to elevate your riding experience. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend explorer, this beauty is designed to impress. So grab a seat and let's get started. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting models in the scooter segment, the 2025 Honda PCX 150. This stylish and powerful scooter has been a favorite among riders for its blend of performance, comfort, and modern features. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the new PCX 150, from its design and performance to its features and pricing. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Honda PCX 150 sports a fresh, aerodynamic look that's both modern and appealing. The sharp lines and aggressive stance give it a sporty vibe, while the LED lighting system comprising headlights, taillights, and indicators ensures excellent visibility and a premium feel. The body is crafted from high-quality materials, making it durable and lightweight, which is crucial for urban riding. The PCX 150 comes in a variety of color options, allowing riders to express their style. From bold reds and blues to sleek blacks and whites, there's something for everyone. The fit and finish of the scooter are impressive, showcasing Honda's commitment to quality. Moving on to comfort, the PCX 150 features a spacious seat designed for long rides. The seat height is set at an ideal level, making it accessible for riders of various heights. The riding posture is upright, which helps reduce fatigue during longer commutes. The footboard area is generous, allowing for multiple riding positions, which adds to the overall comfort. Another great feature is the windscreen, which provides excellent wind protection, especially at higher speeds. This is particularly beneficial for those who plan to take their scooters on longer trips or highway rides. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Honda PCX 150 is powered by a 149cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is designed to provide a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. With a maximum output of around 14.5 horsepower and 13.2 Nm torque, the PCX 150 is capable of delivering a thrilling ride while still being efficient. One of the standout features of this scooter is its smooth and responsive automatic transmission. The CVT continuously variable transmission allows for seamless acceleration without the hassle of shifting gears, making it ideal for city commuting. The scooter can easily reach speeds of around 100 km/h, making it suitable for both urban and rural settings. In terms of fuel efficiency, the PCX 150 boasts an impressive mileage of approximately 40 to 45 km/h, depending on riding conditions. This makes it an economical choice for daily commuters, reducing the need for frequent fuel stops. Handling is another area where the PCX 150 excels. The scooter is equipped with a telescopic front fork and twin rear shock absorbers, providing a smooth and stable ride over various terrains. Whether you're navigating potholes in the city or cruising along country roads, the suspension system absorbs bumps effectively, ensuring a comfortable experience. The lightweight frame contributes to the scooter's agility, making it easy to maneuver through traffic. The turning radius is tight, allowing for effortless cornering and quick U-turns. Safety is paramount when it comes to two-wheelers, and the Honda PCX 150 doesn't disappoint. It features a disc brake setup at both the front and rear, providing excellent stopping power. The ABS anti-lock braking system enhances safety by preventing wheel lock-up during sudden braking, especially on slippery surfaces. In this digital age, connectivity and technology are essential in any vehicle, and the PCX 150 is loaded with features that cater to modern riders. The scooter comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays essential information such as speed, fuel level, trip meter, and even a fuel consumption indicator. One of the most exciting features is the smartphone connectivity option. By connecting your phone via Bluetooth, you can access navigation, music controls, and call alerts directly from the instrument panel. This feature keeps you connected while ensuring that your focus remains on the road. Storage is another critical aspect for scooter riders, and the PCX 150 excels in this department. The underseat storage compartment is spacious enough to accommodate a full-face helmet or other essentials like a raincoat or grocery bags. This added practicality makes it an ideal choice for daily use. Honda has always been a leader in implementing eco-friendly technologies, and the 2025 PCX 150 is no exception. The scooter features Honda's ESP, enhanced smart power technology, which optimizes engine performance while reducing emissions. This makes it a greener option for those looking to minimize their environmental impact. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Honda PCX 150 is competitively priced, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. While prices can vary based on location and additional features, you can expect it to be in the ballpark of $3,500 to $4,000. Given its features, performance, and Honda's reliability, many riders find this to be a worthwhile investment. To wrap up, the 2025 Honda PCX 150 is a remarkable scooter that offers a fantastic blend of style, performance, comfort, and technology. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or enjoying a leisurely ride, the PCX 150 is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. If you're in the market for a new scooter, the PCX 150 should definitely be on your radar. It represents Honda's commitment to innovation and quality, making it a solid choice for both new and experienced riders. Thanks for tuning into your channel name. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Have you ridden the PCX 150 yet, or are you considering it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.